Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter your garden in the mini world CREATA game. To enter your garden, you want to tap on your profile icon on the main menu and then tap on the garden icon. This will then put you into your garden. Once you are in your garden, you can go through the tutorial that is going to show you. You can see it's going to show you arrows for the tutorial. Then you want to tap on them. And just follow through the tutorial. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.